Okay, folks, here's like a Challenger I got here. It's an older model, paid for, but this like covering on it, it's seen its day. And it's like if you touch it, it just rips, and there's like all these ants on it. So I bought a replacement cover for it from Amazon. Because as you can see, like if you just see how I got it taped up and all, like right here, I just barely touched it the other day. It's had its day. The sun has just wore it out, so I'm gonna replace it. And look at all these ants, man. This thing about living in the South, bugs love to just So we're gonna replace it with a cheaper version from Amazon, but stand by. All right, I'm gonna go tear this old car cover off. I got gloves on. You know, you never know what kind of bugs up under there, man. It's gonna take me a while to figure out front from the back, so let's do this. You know, it's black. The material is like vinyl. I don't know. We'll see. It cost about $50 less. But one thing I like about it is at least it's got the mirror grooves, man. Because car covers without the mirror groove, to me, are tacky. You know, but it could be a better fit. Like my last one was a perfect fit. This is, whatever, man. So, anyways, that's the new cover I got from, I ordered this off of Amazon for about $119. And it goes lower, it covers up more of the wheelbase. But the main thing, man, is you got to keep them bugs out. That's the main thing. But some of them have like zippers on the side where you could like zip and get into your car if you just want to start it without lifting the whole thing up. But anyways, that's it, folks. That's the new one. This is the old one. It did well, but after a while, them sun rays, just the same way sun rays tear up your skin, radiation in the sun will tear up even this stuff. So, all right, I did it. We're done.